All right, everyone, welcome back to another cocktail lesson from 117 West Spirits. This is Justin McCabe, and I'm excited to share with you the Hurricane. It was invented in the 1940s in New Orleans, where it is most famous for being a delicious, very drinkable cocktail. And it was invented at Pat O'Brien's in New Orleans. So the recipe includes a dark rum. We're gonna use our barrel-aged rum, a white rum, which is also a 117 West rum. And then we're gonna use a little bit of POG in place of the original recipe, which was actually passion fruit and orange. But POG has passion fruit, orange, and guava. So I figured this would be easier for most of you out there to find and still makes a great Hurricane. And then you're gonna need a little bit of grenadine and lime juice. I'm using here just this pomegranate syrup in substitution for grenadine, and then a little bit of lime juice. And let's get started here. So you're gonna make this drink in a mixing glass, in a shaker glass. So what you're gonna wanna do is fill that shaker up with ice. You're gonna do, for our version, 1.5 ounces of each rum. If you're really thirsty and you have a big glass, you can scale this up to 2 ounces for each, and then try and scale up all the other ingredients proportionately. And then we're gonna do 3 ounces of the POG. You could do 1.5 ounces of orange juice and 1.5 ounces of passion fruit, if you have access to some tasty passion fruit. You're gonna wanna do about 1/2 ounce of lime juice. You could add simple syrup. In my opinion, you don't need simple syrup with this recipe because of all that fruit juice in there. It's so sweet anyways. You give that a shake. And then, if I can find my strainer, you're gonna strain that over ice into a Hurricane glass. This is the closest thing we've got on hand here. Leave a little bit of room up top there. And this is where the fun part comes in. You're just gonna kind of drizzle or float a little bit of grenadine on top. Give it that awesome red appearance, kind of like a tequila sunrise or something. And then you're gonna garnish with an orange wheel. The Hurricane, super delicious and arguably even nutritious. Enjoy.